The 2025 Lexus LC 500 is a car that perfectly blends luxury, performance, and emotional design. It's not just a vehicle. It's a statement on wheels, capturing attention with its bold presence and sculpted body lines. Lexus has taken the already stunning LC 500 and refined it even further for 2025, offering subtle but meaningful updates that enhance its appeal without losing its original charm. The first thing that grabs your eye is the signature spindle grille, now with a sharper mesh pattern that adds more aggression to the front fascia. Sleek triple-beam LED headlights and a wider stance complete the striking look, making the LC 500 one of the most beautiful Grand Tours on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 LC 500 keeps its legendary 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, a true rarity in today's world of downsizing and electrification. This power plant produces a thrilling 471 horsepower and 398 pounds-ft of torque, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. The sound of the V8 is a symphony, delivering a raw, intoxicating roar that reminds you why enthusiasts still crave naturally aspirated engines. Acceleration remains brisk with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time in just 4.4 seconds, making the LC 500 not only a beauty but also a beast when it comes to performance. The driving dynamics of the 2025 LC 500 have been fine-tuned for an even more engaging experience. Lexus has recalibrated the suspension for better road feedback and sharper handling, yet the ride remains composed and comfortable, striking the perfect balance between grand touring and spirited driving. Whether cruising down the highway or carving through winding roads, the LC 500 delivers a sense of confidence and control, all while cocooning you in one of the finest interiors in its class. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that's nothing short of a masterpiece. Hand-stitched leather, Alcantara accents, and precision-crafted details surround you in an environment that feels bespoke. The driving position is low and sporty, yet all controls are within easy reach, and the level of craftsmanship is unmistakably Lexus. The 2025 model introduces an updated 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with improved responsiveness and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, finally addressing one of the few critiques of the previous version. The Mark Levinson premium sound system continues to offer concert-like audio quality, adding to the luxurious atmosphere. Lexus has also ensured the LC 500 stays competitive in terms of safety and technology. The latest Lexus Safety System Plus comes STANDARD, bringing features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and pre-collision warning. These systems work seamlessly in the background, offering peace of mind without compromising the driver-focused nature of the car. The 2025 Lexus LC 500 is not about chasing lap times or following the trend toward electrification. It's about celebrating the art of driving, the beauty of a well-crafted automobile, and the thrill of a naturally aspirated V8. In a world that's rapidly moving towards synthetic experiences, the LC 500 remains a pure, emotional, and unforgettable machine.